Right, this is Omar Rwanda with Steven Rwanda. Omar Rwanda TV is the channel from Rwanda. This is a technique from Shotokan Kalari. This technique, we have two men's. One man is with red, the second is with white. So the red man is going now to show how he can defend someone who is going to kill him. Now, maybe let's ask him to start. Start, boy. Start. Very, 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 very easy. Right, so you see, that is the way you have to defend someone who is going to beat you a kick with your ribs. I think we are going to show you again this technique again, okay? Right, you are going to use slow motion with kick, okay? Now, let them start slow. You see, first you see, that white man is going to kick him with his ribs, but he cuts his kick completely. You see, right? That is another technique. He touched his shoulder. I think you see. After touch on his shoulder, he's going to bend the legs with the ground. I think you see. You see that. You see. Okay, right? Then he let him down slowly. Right? You see. Then after you have to punch him completely on his abdominal. You see, that is the technique with the Shotokan Kalari. Let them show us another technique. Okay, right, you see, they are going to show us another technique. I think they are now preparing to show us. They are thinking another technique. Let us see their technique. Okay, start another technique. Right? Okay, you see, right, that is the technique from Shotokan Kalari. Then, do you have another technique? Yes, show us. Right, I think, okay. Now, this is Omar Rwanda TV. You have to make subscribe with this channel. Completely, you will get many techniques from Kalari easily. Now, let them show us. Okay, you see them? Okay. Right, you see? Right, then Mwashigeli with his head, you see. Then show us seriously. Right. Okay. Now you are going to show us within slow motion. Then show us. Right. Okay. All right. That is the technique. Okay. Show us again. Okay. All right. This is Kalari from Japan. Right. I think